Okay, Brian, I'm on your property, your rental property, 1500 72nd Avenue North, Brooklyn Center. And as much as I'd love to tell you, from my perspective, that there's hail damage up here, because that's how I make my money. Depending on your perspective, fortunately for you, for the roof, there's nothing that I'm seeing up here. So I'm kind of really surprised. Actually, it doesn't surprise me, some of these contractors, the crap they'll say. I don't know how they could have seen damage from the ground, first of all, because I'm on the roof and I don't see any damage. The only thing I am seeing is that this has obviously got hail damage. There's no arguing that. But I guarantee that when this roof was replaced, they did not replace that. This is old damage. There is some hail indentations on these turbine vents. Very thin gauge aluminum, very susceptible to hail indentations. If you come over here and look at the turtle vents, which are a little bit thicker gauge, there's not even one dimple. And that's the first thing I come to verify if there's even something to look at. And then I'll take a look in the field. I mean, if that's smooth as a baby's bottom, which it is, there's no indentations like you'd see here, the field is going to be in pretty good shape. This roof looks actually really good. There is no damage consistent with hail. Zero. Nada. Nothing that I see. Obviously another furnace cap, thin, very thin gauged. I guarantee this was left here when the new roof, this roof, was installed. They do it all the time. I mean, these look great. These pipe jack boots. A little bit of rust, but it's doing its job. Again, turtle vents. Nothing when I drag my chalk across it that shows that there's any hail indentations. Here on the southwesterly slope, where you're going to see more damage because it takes more of the beating from the ultraviolet rays of the sun, I'm not seeing any craters. No hail hits in the valley metal. It'd be a waste of a claim, and you would just kind of upset the insurance company, in my opinion. A little something here, but that's like mechanical more than anything. It's not consistent with hail. Right here you get like an indentation, a scrape, probably from a tool. Now this roof's in great shape. Now as far as this gutter's concerned, I don't know what happened here. It looks like the strap, maybe there's just not enough straps, as they spaced the straps out every 3 feet. It just wasn't installed here correctly. Something happened where it gave way. Okay, I'll send you over the video. John with Clearpoint.